Hello, darlings. Today we are going to make spicy devil dogs on the Blackstone. And I am going to use these Nathan's hot dogs. Oh, thank you. I do need this. So he's going to use this knife. I'm going to use my slot dog. I'm going to turn the Blackstone on medium. So we're going to cook these dogs. Can you chop these for me? Because spicy devil dogs are going to be red and spicy. And while he's doing that, I'm going to put some Blackstone pineapple sriracha seasoning on our dogs. Really doing a good job on that. Oh my God. He loves me, guys. Would you like to help? Thank you. And I got all of my spicy sauces. I have sriracha, dynamite sauce, and hot honey. This is the one that you chopped up. Dynamite sauce. Yeah, it's spicy. It's spicy. It's kind of like a sriracha mayo. And the hot honey. Would you like to help me, sir, with the flamin' hot Cheetos? Yes! That does look so good. We gonna cheers. Spicy devil dogs.
Oh my God, it's gonna be messy.
Uh-huh. Oh my God.
I'm good.
Mm-hmm. Happy Halloween.